Hey everyone, Brian here from Vegas Strip Walking. In today's video, I'm going to show you a lesser known part of the Vegas Strip that even many locals don't know exist. The free-to-ride hidden trams that many casinos have. There are 3 free secret trams to ride in Las Vegas. Now finding where they're located is like finding a clock in a casino, nearly impossible. I will walk to the locations in the video to show you, as well as tell you where they are located, since casinos would rather keep you inside losing your money instead of riding a tram to another casino. The first secret tram to find is the one that runs from Mandalay Bay to the Excalibur. I will show you how to get to this tram from the Mandalay Bay parking garage. This tram runs from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. To find the tram, walk forward after exiting the parking garage, heading towards the casino. Continue walking further a bit until the path forks, where there will be a sign above showing that the tram is to the left. Go left and follow the path until you eventually reach the tram. One tram at this location runs from Mandalay Bay and makes 3 stops, one at the Luxor, a South Excalibur stop, mostly for hotel guests, and the last stop at the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana, outside in front of the castle. The other tram is an express that runs from Mandalay Bay directly to the final Excalibur stop at the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana. To find the second secret tram that runs from Park MGM to the Bellagio, you will want to exit the Excalibur tram station to the left and take the pedestrian bridge going towards New York, New York. Enter New York, New York, and walk through the shops and take the escalator to the left and go down. Your destination here is the food court area that is forward and to the right. Just look for the flashing Panasonic sign on the wall and you will find it easily. Follow this path and turn left after the deli. Continue on the path and veer to the right towards the end to exit. This will put you outside in the park. Walk forward and to the right to find a crosswalk taking you to the Park MGM. Once inside Park MGM, continue walking forward until you reach the wall on the other side of the casino, then turn left and keep walking until you reach the high limit slot area. When you do, take the path to the right and continue walking following the signs for the tram to the Bellagio. This tram runs from 8 a.m. to 2 a.m. and has access to Park MGM, Aria, Vdara, the shops at Crystals, and Bellagio. The first stop is for Aria, Vdara, and the shops at Crystals. The last stop is Bellagio. When you exit the tram at Bellagio, you have a very long walk ahead of you. Just keep walking and follow the path until you see it let out near the conservatory. If you wish to see the fountain show, keep walking forward past the registration and out the large revolving doors. If you want to find the third and final secret tram, you will need to make a left into the casino. Keep walking forward. When you reach the split, go right and follow the signs for the Via Bellagio shops. Walk through the shopping area. When you reach the end, exit to the left towards Caesar's Palace. Take the pedestrian bridge across to the other side and down the escalator on the right. Now follow the path forward and around to Las Vegas Boulevard. This will be a long walk on the Las Vegas Strip to your third and final hidden tram. Keep walking north on Las Vegas Boulevard until you reach the Mirage Hotel and Casino. This hidden tram is located outside, directly behind the waterfalls and volcano show, to the right of the valet parking area. To get to the tram, simply turn left when you reach the Mirage waterfalls and follow the path around. The tram stop will be across from the valet parking area and to the right. It's pretty easy to find this one. This final secret Las Vegas tram runs from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sunday through Thursday, and 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Friday and Saturday, and only stops at the Mirage on Treasure Island. When you exit the tram at TI, you will be a short distance from the parking garage to the left. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and commenting on this video. If you want to see more Las Vegas Strip walking videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly appreciate it.